Hi everyone, and welcome back to ICP DAS USA's YouTube channel. My name is Mia, and today's video we're going to continue covering Fieldbus communication protocols. Today's video specifically focuses on CANBUS protocol. In the video, we will have a brief overview of key features, how it works, real-world applications, and other benefits of CANBUS. So let's jump right into it. On our website, you'll find a number of CANBUS devices. These include switches, converters, gateways, fiber bridges, and repeaters that we offer. And stay tuned for later in the video where we'll talk about different CANBUS communication boards we offer. CAN, an acronym for Controller Area Network, is a robust multi-master communication protocol devised for real-time data exchange between electronic control units, ECUs, in vehicles and industrial systems. Some of the key features that make CANBUS stand out is robustness. It's a paramount attribute. CANBUS can operate effectively in environments challenged with electromagnetic interference, making it the protocol of choice for noisy environments. Another key feature is its multi-master capability. This means that multiple ECUs can transmit and receive messages simultaneously without conflict. It's a distinctive feature that facilitates concurrent data transmission and reception by multiple nodes, therefore fostering a dynamic and efficient network. Real-time communication is also a highlight. CANBUS ensures that data is transmitted with low latency, crucial for applications where timing is critical, like in automotive safety systems. It's the lifeblood of CANBUS. Now, let's get into how CANBUS actually works. CANBUS is a decentralized information network. Messages are broadcasted onto the bus, deploying a publish-scribe model, where nodes selectively process only the messages pertinent to their operations. Arbitration is the mechanism governing simultaneous node transmissions. The priority-based arbitration scheme ensures that the highest priority message takes precedent, preventing data collisions and maintaining order on the bus. So how can we find CANBUS in action? In the automotive world, CANBUS is the backbone of modern vehicles. It connects ECUs responsible for engine control, transmission, AB airbags, and more. With diverse functionalities from powertrain management to safety systems, it ensures seamless collaboration. Beyond automobiles, CANBUS finds extensive application in industrial automation. Serving as a communication backbone, it can link sensors, actuators, and controllers in a synchronized data exchange. Now, what are some benefits of using CANBUS? Reliability is a key advantage. The multi-master architecture and error checking mechanisms ensure data integrity even in challenging environments. Scalability is another benefit. Whether you're working on a small project or a complex system, CANBUS can scale to meet your needs. As mentioned earlier in the video, on our website you can find a number of CANBUS communication boards. These communication boards have a number of applications, but are not limited to control systems, building automation, factory automation, and distributed data acquisition. Please feel free to check out our website in the link below to chat with a live agent. You can also give us a call or email us, and our team will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. See you again in the next one.